first off, we're going to start with our Thai coconut turkey soup. So what do we have going on here?
Wonderful. So right here we have slowly simmering some nice turkey broth with our aromatics, and this is going to be the base of our soup. So we have some yellow onion, garlic, and ginger.
Okay, and then let's talk about this lemongrass business because so I typically will put like some lemongrass like seasoning, or you know how you can get the seasoning or the powder. It's not nearly as good as what you've got going on here, which is what?
A nice fresh stalk. I've actually have 2 of them here. I've cut them up into about 2-inch pieces, and then I bound them with some cooking twine, so it's totally food safe, and it makes your job so much easier when you have to take it out.
Pluck it out. And then is the idea that there's a presence of that flavor, but it's not overpowering? Is that kind of why?
Exactly. It's like steeping it like a tea almost.
Ah, okay, got it. Right on. Okay, thank you.
So while this slowly simmers, we can chat a little bit about our Butterball boneless turkey roast here.
What you got going on there? You guys always have the best, interesting new products. So.
I love this. It is so simple, it's so versatile, and it's gluten-free. Honestly, I can't say enough good things about the Butterball boneless turkey breast roast. So super simple to prepare as well. You cook it for roughly 4 hours at 325. Okay. Take it out of the oven. Check to make sure your internal temperature is 165. Of course, use your meat thermometer, and then really I just like to slice it nice and thin. I've put it in the bowl here, and I think we're ready to put it in the soup.
Okay, so yeah, what are all of the different ingredients that you have? Because we've got, it looks like it's going to be like creamy and super flavorful as well, because you've got all of this lovely coconut milk or coconut cream that's here.
Right. Yes. So this is coconut milk, unsweetened, nice and simple. Then we would move on to our red Thai chili paste. It's not too spicy. It's really, again, just bringing in that depth of flavor, and we have option to add spice later on.
Sure.
Perfect. We have some thinly cut white mushrooms. Balances very well with the Butterball turkey roast. We also have some frozen green peas and red peppers. From there, we will add some fish sauce and fresh lime juice, fresh lemon juice, and then we finish it off with some green onions.
Wow, lots going on in there. Okay, so now we just like start putting things in. Is that what we
Yeah,
want to do?
wonderful.
Okay.
Do you want to add the Butterball boneless turkey breast roast?
I would be delighted.
Wonderful.
So just pop it in there.
Just pop it in there. You know what? I really love this product, and best of all, it's actually prepared right here in Manitoba. So yay for local. I love it.
Absolutely.
Wonderful. And then coconut milk.
See, this is already a win, just because it has the coconut milk.
Wonderful, great, thank you so much. And then we have some green peas. We can add that right in.
Now, while you're throwing the rest of the ingredients in, I know that we're going to be zesting a little bit of lime.
We will.
Do the rest of the things have to go in first?
You know what? We would slowly simmer some of our vegetables first. The lime is almost at the end, but
okay.
Yeah. There we are.
Maybe I can help you.
Wonderful.
A few more things in here.
Perfect. That's exactly right. That's the red Thai chili paste.
Okay.
Great. And I'm going to add my red peppers.
Okay. And then what was that again? That was
lime and fish sauce.
Okay.
So you can mix that up. Especially after the chili paste, you want to make sure those colors blend in nice.
Yes, that's working.
That.
That is working, isn't it? And you're going to just leave that. How long does this simmer in total? Once this is, or is it basically ready to?
It's nice and quick and simple, about 20 minutes.
Okay.
Perfect.
Awesome.
And then we can actually go fishing right now and get that lemongrass out. You don't want to eat that. You want to take that with the tongs there?
You don't want to eat that?
No.
I would do it on a dare, probably.
We'll try later. Perfect.
now I'm committed.
Great. And now we have some lime juice. We can put that in. And now is your time to shine. Zest that lime.
Okay. So like the whole thing?
No, just a little bit. I think about 2 teaspoons. It's really just to give it a little boost of flavor there. That's looking great.
Okay.
Great. Perfect.
Oh, goodness.
Happens to the best of us.
Television.
Great.
And with the lime. I'll eat that later, too.
Great. And then our last ingredient that goes right into the soup is the green onions. Do you want to mix that around?
Sure.
Perfect.
A little stir. All right. So there you have it. Recipe number 1 tonight, courtesy of Manitoba Turkey. When we come back, turkey tortilla soup here on Great Taste of Manitoba. Don't go away.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by the Government of Canada and Manitoba Agriculture and Resource Development through the Canadian Agricultural Partnership.